Stock number 40396P. It's a 2013 Ford Explorer. It does have a key, it does not start. You see the hood's no good. Front bumper's no good. You can see you got dents right here on the passenger side front fender. You got dents right here. Big dents all right here on the side of the door. See, you got a big dent right here with paint problems on the driver's side quarter panel. See, the driver's side front fender is gone. Hood's no good. The rim's demolished down there. You can see the door right here is bent out. Steering wheel smashed forward. The steering wheel airbag is deployed. The driver roof airbag is deployed. The driver's seatbelt is locked. It does have a key and it does not start. You can see this is all smashed forward. It don't even go into park. Here's the driver's side. There's the passenger side. See, here's the glove box. It's broken. You can see all this stuff is smashed forward. See, that door panel's good, that door panel's good. Again, this is stock number 40396P. It's a 2013 Ford Explorer.